Local news for Friday the 29th of March. Work on Masterton's Lido Pool is nearly complete, with installation of a new PVC liner in the 25 by 25 metre pool getting underway last week, which will take several weeks to complete. The work is part of a major upgrade of the facility to prevent water wastage and increase the pool's life. The outdoor pool is almost 50 years old. A portfolio of 23 service station properties throughout Aotearoa is being exclusively marketed by Colliers International, and one of which is in Masterton. The Z service station is on that list. And the Wairarapa United women's side are away to the Wellington Sapphires tomorrow. The women's team kick off at 1 o'clock at Maidstone Park. Meanwhile, it's good luck to the Giants under-15s, women's and presidents all in their respective finals tomorrow.